However, September Kumapanda District Agriculture Office Thawal Sinduna Nation First at 75 campaign ki makada Thawal amasung Kaksing District ki longmi singda low the sangba polam sing amadi soil health card ne thokpagi tharam ama Thawal ki Agriculture Office ta pangthokki Nation First at 75 campaign ki saruk amoina pangthokpa tharam aduda Deputy Commissioner Thawal Hana Kamai District Soil Conservation and Horticulture Officer Malem Nganba Maitai amasung District Agriculture Officer TS Joy Prakash na tharam ki athoi mitung tharam mapu amasung akhanaba mitung oina saruk yakhi Tharomadagi saruk ama oina Thawal amasung Kaksing District tagi khangal aba thawai yaw balongi singda tilar da kapnaba sprayer ising singnaba pam micronutrient nung hawai maru sana maru na singba yan thokki Tharomadagi athoi mitung ki wa ngamada Deputy Commissioner Hana Kamai na hai District Agriculture Officer Thawal na longi singidamak tongamba polam sing amadi soil health card entoliba asigi pandamde longmi singna masagi potok yamna potok tuna district asigi state asigi amadi leba asigi satok warangkan potokna magi pandamdani longmi singna kodong sabasi longbi tuna satok yana potokna ba honamina si mana asumna hai
to help the farmers for economic growth haibagine aduga purpose ama leibagi te pithokpane masida ekhoina district agriculture officer na magi scheme makhada pithokpa miyam se mayamna phajana sizinaraga self reliant oina naba aduga ekhoigi manipur gi economic growth da ekhoigi su support tawna naba cooperation pina naba tawjabane aduna self independent oiba ekhoi se yam develop oiba state oi halase haibagi importance to piraga paikhatpani
Hokiba October amanda Thawal District ki Wangbal da laiba Integrated Rural Development and Educational Organization IREDO Wangbal na sinduna malengi alu albusingi mitki palan thorum pangtoki Bharat Lenga ki Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment ki makhada pangtokpa thorum aduda Kangabo Kendra ki MLA or Sujay Kumar Senior Citizen Welfare Forum Manipur ki President Dr. Maibam Rajendra Singh Uyal Wangbal GP ki hana ki Pradhan Haikham Rakho Singna thorum ki athoba mitung thorum mapu amadi akhanaba mitung oina saruk yaki thorum aduda thabuk ki potharaba Chief Medical Officer Dr. K. S.I.S. Manglemna Resource Person oina wangangduna ahal oisilakpa matamda thengnariba kudong sadaba singkaramna section thangang lokatkani amadi tawgudaba amadi tarodaba singi matangda ahal oiraba singda sandokna taki thawngki saruk ama oina ahal oiraba mihoi marida kudolpo pibaga loinana lemna layembagi kem amasu pangthokki Hokiba October 9 da Thawal Forest Division Sinduna Wildlife Conservation ki matangda district ki thakta awareness camp ama pangthokpa loinana Humrama Tesiba Wildlife Week celebration ki valedictory function su pangthokre Kongjong War Memorial Complex ta laiba community hall da pangthokpa thoram atuda Deputy Commissioner Thawal Hana Kamai Thawal Forest Divisional Forest Officer Dr. L. Jesili amadi Additional SP Thawal N. Surasna Tharung Matangsina Athoiba Mitung Tharamapu amasung Kanaba Mitung oina saruk yakhi Tharomadagi saruk ama oina Manipur University ki Department of Zoology ki Research Scholar Nongthombam Hemeswar amasung Tingujam Jenis Kumarna Snake Rescue ki matangda resource person oina wangangki Hokiba October anidagi sayol ama chutna satharakpa Humdrama Tesuba Wildlife Week celebration adugi saruk ama oina tongamba mapamsingda pangthokkiba painting amasung essay competition singda makok matang takraba mahiroi singda su mana matam jentokki valedictory function aduba mari lenana wangamula Deputy Commissioner Thawal Hana Kamai na hai lamlaki sa usik sing kannaba Forest Department sangsanliba thabok tharam sing asida akhoi punamana su sagutuna saruk yaba dharkar oi khoi punamangna afaba wakalon amaga loinana lamlaki sa sing kannaba honamina si haiba wafam magna akatana phongtokki magna sumna hai
Ekhoina hindabagi damakta we are giving a hardships to the wildlife haibina mogi existence ki ekhoina hardship pi hai aduna being having the sense of thinking power we should think for the future coexistence ekhoigi ecosystem se balance leina bagi let us collectively think together so that we can create a proper peaceful environment even for the special makoisu phajana hindana bagi tamakta ekhoiga chance pirase hai